Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Hootsuite for managing multiple LinkedIn profiles step by step clearly. Navigate to the Hootsuite website at www.hootsuite.com. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the button to initiate the sign up process. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password for your new account. Fill in the required information and click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message from Hootsuite. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log into the Hootsuite dashboard using your email and password. Now that you are logged in, look for the Plans and Pricing section on the dashboard. Select the plan that best suits your needs for managing multiple LinkedIn profiles. Click on the Choose Plan or Select button associated with your chosen plan. You will be taken to a payment page where you can enter your payment information. Fill in your billing details and confirm your purchase. After your payment is processed, you will be redirected to your Hootsuite dashboard. From here, locate the Add Your Social Network or Connect Social Network button. Select LinkedIn from the list of social media platforms available. You will need to log into your LinkedIn account to allow Hootsuite access. Follow the prompts to grant Hootsuite permission to manage your LinkedIn profiles. If you have multiple LinkedIn profiles, repeat the connection process for each profile. Once all profiles are connected, you can manage them directly from your Hootsuite dashboard. Explore the features available to schedule posts, analyze performance, and engage with your audience. You are now ready to utilize Hootsuite to streamline your LinkedIn profile management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.